Hi guys, it's your Decker show. Totally awesome. Hi, oh my gosh. It's like thundering out and lightning out. And it's pretty exciting because my kids that I'm babysitting are really scared. And they wanted to see if they can come in and hang out with me. I said, no, you can't. Okay? Because this is nighttime. You guys have lots of time playing on the computer and watching TV, but this is nighttime for you to be locked up in your room. And so I can watch Murder, She Wrote.
Hey!
Go in your room, please. Go in your room. Babysitting hour. Thanks for watching the Rebecca Show.